Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe before going any further, I insist. So we're going to jump right in today. We're going into the BSC Mainnet, or the Binance Smart Chain. And I'm going to teach you how to access PancakeSwap, or I guess DeFi platforms like PancakeSwap, from your Metamask wallet. The little fox here is your Metamask. So what you're going to do is there's instructions in the description. That's what I'm trying to say. There's instructions in the description here, and if you're familiar with MetaMask at all, it shouldn't be too difficult. So what you're going to do is, after you open your wallet, you're going to go into networks right here at the top, and it's got the Ethereum network at the top. That's the most popular one, and then all these other strange ones that are used for different purposes. So you're going to have to hit this down at the bottom, this custom RPC. If you can't see it on my screen, it's probably because my face is in the way. You just click that, and you're going to see here in the description, I have the instructions. So network name goes here, new RPC URL goes here, chain ID goes here, and the other ones are optional, but I fill it all in because I don't want the network failing me. I want to give it all the information it needs so that we can all be happy and secure. So once you go to PancakeSwap, if you're familiar with DeFi, you know that it's all about staking. So we got all kinds of staking, liquidity pool tokens, and you're going to earn Cake token. Well, Cake token is booming right now, guys. It's taken off. It's going through the roof. And if you want to get in on it, you just got to buy a combination of some of these tokens, and then you stake them. You approve the contract first. Okay, this is on the farms tab. We haven't gone to the home or the trade tab. And then we have pools, liquidity pools, syrup pools, stake Cake to earn new tokens. You can unstake at any time. Rewards are calculated. So after you get your farms, you farm Cake, and then you go to pools, and then you stake your Cake. You stake the Cake token, and then you can withdraw it later to sell or whatever. So you're basically compounding your earnings there. So it's really cool. And then not only that, but we have lotteries. Buy tickets with Cake. Win 2, 3, or 4 of your ticket number. If 2, 3, or 4 of your ticket numbers match. So 2 hours until the lottery draw. It has all the information here. You can just buy tickets. If you go to the home tab here, which we will, it shows all your information. So it shows lottery winnings if you buy lottery tickets, and then it's got farms and staking, your totals in here, how much APR you can earn max, and then the different lotteries and all that stuff. It shows at the bottom here. I don't think you can see it. Total value locked, Cake stats, new cakes per block, and just all this kind of stuff. So this is a really neat Binance Smart Chain. BSC has done a really good job with this. There's also little cute collectibles you can buy or get somehow. So there's cute little things like that you can do. But you didn't hear that from me because that's not masculine. So, there's all kinds of different things, different ways to interact with this platform. Obviously, PancakeSwap is not the only thing on BSC. You can do some research. You can look up any kind of tokens on the BSC Smart Chain. And this is a great alternative to the Ethereum or Tron DeFi systems, because Ethereum, it charges a lot of fees, a lot of money in fees right now. The gas fees are just really high, and so this is just a good alternative. So anyway, guys, that's it for the video. I'm going to keep it really short today. It's really easy to access PancakeSwap and get into BNB or BSC all you want. But do your own research. This isn't investment advice. I'm just teaching you how to access it, not what to get in. So have a great time, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Make good decisions.